dog, please. Push the buttons. I want some mustard and some relish.
Me too, that's what it be. You ain't tasting nothing like it.
Woo! Timmy, who's driving the bus?
Hello.
Oh, thank you. Nom nom nom. That's a good hot dog. You gonna make another hot dog? Or hamburgers? Hot dog, okay. Who's gonna eat this hot dog? I don't need another hot dog. Here, I'll save it for later. Put it in my pocket. I did, I got it. Oh, you want me to pay you? I have to pay you for these hot dogs? Here, here's your money, sir. Thank you, keep the change. How much money are you making today? How much money are you making? Who's gonna drive it? There's a lot of moving around room. Uh-oh, it's done. So, all done for the day.
Hello.
Oh, thank you. Nom 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 nom.